Subscribe to us for more InShot. Download InShot in the App Store or Google Play Store. After importing your video, tap Music. Tap Music again. Select Extract Audio from Video. Import the video for audio extraction. Next, tap Beat. Tap the beat marker button, according to the beat of the song, to add beat markers. Next, go to the timeline and trim the video according to the beat markers. And here's the final result. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.